Rigorous financial modeling usually requires hours of manual data entry and brittle spreadsheets. This workflow reduces that entire process into a structured 10-minute sequence. By the end of this session, you will have a complete discounted cash flow valuation, multiple stress-tested financial scenarios, and a professional, board-ready CFO report. To begin, you need your historical financial data in Excel or PDF, a modern web browser, and a free Open Router API key, which you paste directly into the platform settings. Selecting your specific industry sector before you start provides the AI with essential context. This allows the engine to evaluate your figures against relevant market benchmarks to produce specific strategic insights. Once the settings are configured, you need to bring your historical financial data into the platform using one of two primary pathways. First, use the Excel template. Enter figures into the green input cells with a consistent currency unit. Alternatively, use PDF import. The AI scans your digital annual report, identifies financial tables, and automatically extracts values into structured rows. Because extraction can misinterpret complex layouts or rotated tables, verify the AI-extracted numbers against your original PDF and correct any errors in the review table. Validating your data at this stage is the only way to ensure the mathematical integrity of the automated analysis that follows. Now, click Run Analysis to trigger the core engine. The platform immediately processes your data through more than 20 distinct analytical modules. The executive dashboard displays your financial health score, a 0 to 100 rating. This is a composite score built from weighted subscores in liquidity, profitability, growth, efficiency, and leverage. The AI Intelligence Hub then translates these quantitative scores into specific strategic takeaways and a prioritized action list. By automating the computational labor, you shift your time from manual data entry to evaluating the strategic signals the engine surfaces. To estimate the intrinsic value of the business, navigate to the DCF valuation module. Here, you set your own growth assumptions. Adjust the revenue growth rate, the EBITDA margin, and terminal growth rate to drive a 5-year cash flow projection. The platform visualizes this projection through a waterfall chart, bridging your free cash flow to the final enterprise value. Because valuations change, use the sensitivity matrix. This two-dimensional grid shows how enterprise value shifts as cost of capital and terminal growth rates adjust. Presenting a range of values through sensitivity analysis, rather than a single static number, provides a more credible basis for investor discussions. To prepare for board-level what-if questions, open the Scenario Modeling module. You will configure 3 distinct cases: an optimistic bull case, your expected base plan, and a stress-tested bear case to determine your minimum cash runway. Once parameters are set, click Generate AI Commentary. The tool instantly writes a narrative explaining the assumptions and risks behind each of the 3 scenarios. Mapping out your downside risks alongside your upside potential ensures you are prepared to defend your strategy under pressure. To finalize your work, navigate to the Report Review module in the reporting suite. Clicking Generate All Sections automatically drafts the text for your executive summary, MDA, and risk commentary based on your analyzed data. The platform then runs an automated IFRS compliance check. It highlights missing regulatory disclosures and provides the exact IAS or IFRS reference number you need to address. Review and approve each section, enter the approver's name, and trigger the final PDF export. This automated check ensures that your final narrative is both data-driven and strictly aligned with global reporting standards. The exported PDF is a structured, professional document that includes your DCF tables, scenario comparisons, and automated narratives. This workflow allows you to complete a full suite of enterprise-level financial modeling within the promised 10-minute window. To protect your sensitive data, the platform uses a local privacy architecture. All processing occurs within your browser, and your financial figures are never stored on external servers. Before you close the session, click Export Data JSON in the Settings panel. This saves your progress to your local device so you can re-import your data and continue your analysis later. By combining automated modeling with strict local privacy, this platform delivers enterprise-grade financial intelligence to any business owner within a single 10-minute session.